Today's lesson, writing equations from tables. The relationship between two variables where one variable depends on another can be represented in a table or by an equation. Usually, the x is the independent variable and the y is the dependent variable. The value of y depends on the value of x. To find the relationship, you're looking for the rule of what do you do to x to make y. In this case, if we look for the pattern, we're subtracting 2 from x to make y. The equation then is x minus 2 equals y. In this table, again, we're looking for what we do to x to make y. If we look for the pattern from x to y, we're multiplying by 2. So 2x equals y. Remember, we write multiplication with the coefficient first and then the variable. In this table, again, what do we do to x to make y? We look for the pattern and we're dividing by 5. So the equation is x divided by 5 equals y. Or you can write it as 1/5 times x equals y. Marty earns $8.50 for 1 hour working at the snow cone stand. He wants to earn $34.36 for a new video game. How many hours does Marty need to work? Well, again, we're looking for what we're doing to x to make y. And the rule in this story problem says we're multiplying by 850. So you can create a table using your rule that multiplying by 850. And when we complete the table, we can see in order to get 3436, he can't just work 4 hours. He needs to work that 5th hour in order to have enough money.